What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja, and in today's video we're back with another hair tutorial. Today I will be showing you guys how to install and style your headband wig. This headband wig is from Nadula Hair. They sent us this lovely 24-inch water wavy headband wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and until next time, I'll see you soon. So this is the wig we're installing today. This is their 24-inch water wavy headband wig. The wig came with a comb in the top, 2 in the sides, and 1 in the back. This is it. They also sent us a headband. So the headband wig is a simple 5-minute install, probably less than 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and move along to the install. The first thing I'm about to do is to make some baby hair. I will be using my Shine and Jam. This is it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and install the unit before I put the headband on. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my latte body mousse to get back my curls. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Again, the headband wig is pretty easy to install. For me, it is super beginner friendly. It is a quick grab and go unit, and I love the turnout. It gives you a more realistic, more natural feel. So if you're a person who don't like to go over the top, this wig is definitely for you. Super easy to install. This is the final look. Super pretty, super soft. Overall, I must say I really like this unit because it's super easy to install. I love that it is a versatile wig. You can style it however you want, whenever you want, and you still achieve that super natural finish. This is the final look. I'll be linking the unit down below for those of you who want to purchase. Go ahead and click the link in my description. Again, this unit is from Nadula Hair, and this is their 24-inch water wavy headband. So this is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.